I'm on the top of Meall Buidhe. It's a Munro in Scotland and it's got amazing 360-degree views. I thought I'd point out some of the peaks you can see from here and tell you some of the names. These names are all in Scottish Gaelic, but you might know the slightly anglicised versions. For example, behind me there's a big triangular peak, Bain Lower or Ben Lowers. And a few mountains over from that you've got Meall Buidhe and Meall Buidhe, and just in front of them, big long rounded one, Bain Buidhe. In the slight distance there you've got Meall Buidhe, a Munro which sits above Glenloche. And then we're going to skip a few to go around. In the far distance there's a double kind of triangular peak there, Stop Binion and Vain Vor, or Ben Moor, Vain Vor. And then further round, across the glen, there's another sort of double humped mountain. The top of that is Bain Challam, which translates as Callum's Mountain, Bain Challam. You've got Bain Heskernich there, Bain Os, further round Bain Doran in the distance, Bain Achrechain, and then you've got the vast expanse of Monch Rannoch or Rannoch Moor with the really obvious, very photographed, very recognisable Buachale Echtjevor with Stop Jerak on the top of it. Coming round here, we've got the highest mountain in Scotland, Bain Nevis, Ben Nevis, really obvious. Once you've seen it, you'll always recognise it. And skipping a few on, you've got the nice double hill there almost of Stop Corra Esain and Stop Corra Viain. And we're going to skip a few on towards above Loch Erich, where you've got Bain Yuller or Ben Alder with Bain Fjord just in behind. And then down below me, you might not be able to see it, Loch Rannoch or Loch Rannoch. And finally, in the far off distance there, really obvious triangular peak of Sheachalion or Shahalion. Sheachalion. Like a shelf. A Yalloch.